Do dispensationalists believe in typology? Well, the answer is yes, if understood correctly. Although dispensationalists often understand typology differently than non-dispensationalists. Now, we should note that there are 3 levels to answering this question concerning types and typology. First, types do exist in the Bible. A type is a person, thing, event, or institution in the Old Testament that God intended to prefigure something greater in the New Testament. For example, Adam is a type of Jesus, according to Romans chapter 5. The Mosaic covenant and law was a shadow that pointed to the greater new covenant, according to Hebrews chapter 10. In 1 Corinthians chapter 5, Paul said the Passover lamb pointed to Jesus. So types exist. The Bible makes these connections. They show God's sovereign hand as he moves in history. Literal, grammatical, historical interpretation discovers biblical types. Second, typology is the study of types in the Bible. So if done rightly, typology is a legitimate category. It properly identifies types and draws proper inferences from them. If we detect types that exist in the Bible and we draw proper significances from them, then typology is being done well. But if we call things types that are not types, or we draw wrong inferences from them, then typology is not being done well. So there is a third level concerning types that dispensationalists disagree with, and that is the use of what we call typological interpretation. Typological interpretation occurs when people use the existence of types to override or change the Bible's storyline and its elements. This happens when types are used to reinterpret what the Bible explicitly teaches. For example, the Bible teaches the continuing significance of matters like Israel, geopolitical nations, the land of Israel, the throne of David, and physical blessings in a coming earthly kingdom. But sometimes non-dispensationalists will claim that typology changes the meaning and significance of these entities. They cease to be relevant, or they are spiritualized in some sense. For example, some claim that since Jesus is the true Israel, which he is, that national Israel ceases to be theologically significant. This is an error. Or they will say Israel was a type of the church, so the church is the new Israel, and the nation Israel ceases to be significant. Or they believe David's throne or an earthly kingdom becomes spiritualized. But these are not types that lose significance. Most types in the Bible concern the Mosaic covenant and its elements. They do not involve matters relating to the eternal covenants of promise, things found in the Abrahamic covenant, the Davidic covenant, and the New Covenant. We can understand these in a straightforward manner. Those covenants and their elements are not types or shadows. So yes, dispensationalism does believe in typology. Types can be discovered by literal, grammatical, historical hermeneutics, and these types are consistent with what the Bible teaches about matters with continuing significance, such as Israel, nations, land, physical blessings, and earthly kingdom, and other tangible matters.